The next problem statement is to find GCD of two numbers using recursion. GCD of two numbers using recursion. Hash include stdio.h. Here we are going to give the function name, that is function prototype, int GCD of int n1 comma int n2. n1 n2 are the two numbers. Now this is your function declaration, or it is also called as function prototype. Function prototype. Next, int main. So I'm going to read the two variables, right? So I need to initialize them. Int n1 n2. Printf, enter the values of n1 and n2. Enter the values of n1 and n2. Next, we need to read the values, right? Scanf %d address of n1 comma address of n2, address of n1 comma address of n2. Now here we need to find the GCD, and I'm trying to store one result for GCD of two numbers. Result equal to GCD of n1 comma n2. Printf, the GCD of %d and %d is %d. So this is how we can print the result with the n1 comma n2 comma res. So this will give the GCD of two numbers. Return 0. Now we are going to write the function definition. Before writing the function definition, so this is called function call. This is function call. The next one, int GCD of int n1 comma int n2. So here we are going to write the recursive logic with the base case first. If n2 is not equal to 0, then return GCD of n2 comma n1 mod n2, else return n1, So this is how we can write the logic for the recursive function, and this part we are going to call it as function definition. So this is how we can write the logic for GCD of two numbers using recursion. Now let me execute this code and show you the output for this, and let us check whether it is functioning properly or not. So enter the values of n1 and n2. So let me give the values of n1 as 10 and the n2 value as 20. So we should get the output as the GCD of 10 and 20 is 10. So let me execute the internal steps for this and make you clear understand how we got the GCD of two numbers. First, let us take the values of n1 and n2. The values of n1 and n2 are n1 equal to 10 and n2 equal to 20. GCD of n1 comma n2 we are passing as GCD of 10 and 20. So n1 and n2 are 10, 20. Now check the condition. Is 20 not equal to 0? Condition is true. The N2 value is 20. So 20 not equal to 0, condition is true. So what we have to return? GCD of what is N2? N2 value is 20, comma N1 mod N2. So N1 mod N2, 10 mod 20. 10 mod 20. Now what is the value of 10 mod 20 is 10. 10 mod 20 is 10. Now again GCD of 20 comma 10 is been given to the recursive call function. Now the N1 value is changed to 20 and N2 value is changed to 10. Now again let us check the condition. Is 10, that is N2 value is 10. 10 not equal to 0, condition is true, which means again return GCD of what is N2? The N2 value is 10, 10 comma, now check the condition, what is the value of N1 mod N2? N1 mod N2 is 20 mod 10. 20 mod 10 is 0. 20 mod 10 is 0. Now the recursive call function is 10 comma 0. Here N1 is 10 and N2 is 0. Now check the condition. Is 0 not equal to 0? Condition is false. Then we need to go for else part. Then we need to go for the else part. In the else part what we have? Return N1. Now what is the value of N1? We have 10. So the N1 value is 10. This value is being returned back to the function which is calling. So here the value will be 10. This value will be substituted in the place of result and you are going to print this result. The GCD of first N1 value is 10 and 20 is percentile D. This one is RES, the result. So what is the result? We got 10. So this is how you are going to find a GCD of two numbers using recursive function. Let me execute with another test case and see whether it is working fine or not. Let me give the next number as 30 and 50. 30 and 50. So the GCD of 30 and 50 is 10. So this is how we are going to find the GCD of two numbers.